Discover the playful parrot world. Step into the lively realm of parrots, where vibrant colors meet curious personalities. Watch as these feathered friends dance with joy, mimic catchy tunes, and showcase their playful antics. Did you know parrots can live to be 80 years old? They mimic human speech, creating endless entertainment. Each one, a true performer at heart, always ready for the spotlight. Dive into the lush, tropical hues of their stunning feathers. Bright greens, blues, and reds paint a brilliant portrait of nature. Fascinated by their antics? Subscribe for more feathered fun. Uncover a new adventure with every